Bring it this way. Bring it this way. Bring it here. We'll get it in here. Oh, you got it. Okay. Hold it up. I get a picture of you. Those are called pumpkin seeds.
You ain't got a pumpkin seed.
You gotta attack the bubbles.
All right, ready?
It's raining.
Oh,
so
this is
it
taking a
looks like
picture of me.
bubbles. Daddy,
Uh-huh.
can you cast me?
Yeah, I'll take care of that. Oh, did your bobber slide all the way down?
Wait.
These guys swallow it all the time.
Go like that. A little bit.
I could see it. I could tell when it's in the water.
I gotta put a new hook on for you. Because he swallowed that one bad.
Reel in a little bit.
Here, Decky, stay over here with this one, okay? Decky, you wanna hold this one? Quick.
Did I already get something?
I don't know. Tap it a little bit. Move it. Point it forward a little bit, your rod. Okay, now reel in a little bit. You want to keep a little bit. You want to keep that little taut there. Now just go like this a little. Make it move a little bit. Okay. Sometimes they go after that.
That's what they went after every time.
Yeah, they like it when they see it. See? Keep doing that though. Just little taps. Little taps. No, you got to reel in a tiny bit then. Reel in a little bit. And now do a little tap. Little tap. Little tap again. They kind of go after that. Another little tap. Keep doing that. Another tap.
Oh. Like
Pull in a little bit of the line.
It's like ornaments in the tree.
I know it is.
I know. I saw that. That's
Watch your lure. I think you're getting tapped there. Point it this way a little bit. You got to point it that way. Here, point it like this. Okay. And now there's the line is coming out a little bit, so you want to make sure it's a little tight because you don't want it to get tangled in there. Okay. Let me. Ours or yours? Let me throw it out there a little bit more again, okay?
Never catch a fish.
We're gonna catch a fish. You're gonna catch one. It was on?
Felt him wiggle.
Oh, I almost got that branch up there.
See,
All right, here.
being here.
I know it's tough over here,
Did
but
I get one?
no, not yet. Come over here more,
Shaking water.
and then pull in. Don't let your line drip so much, okay? Pull in a little bit so that that's up, and now just do little taps. Keep doing the little taps. All right, hold on a minute, and then every so often just give it a little tap. A little more. You have to see the bobber move. No, pull it up. Okay, that's good. Now pull a little bit in and just do it again. Now do a little tap.
I think they just got scared.
Do it again.
There's 5
Keep doing a
more.
little taps. They're not that hard, but reel it a little bit. Oh. Pull. I think you're starting to get one. Is it on there?
No.
Okay. You sure of that? All right, keep it there. You did get a hit though. Keep doing the little taps. They like that. You got to pull a little bit because if the line's not tight, it's not going to pull. All right,
Yeah,
it's
that's
pulling you.
what
Go. You got it?
I don't know.
Keep pulling. Keep reeling it in. We got to get past that branch anyway.
I don't got anything. Wait. No.
All right. I thought you had one on. It might be small, very small. I think someone's pulling yours.
Wind is making the water.
No, I think one is pulling yours.
Oh,
Can you
geez.
see that wind?
That scared me.
Or what? Pull your line in a little bit because it's blowing.
No, that ruined all the fun. Oh, it's cold.
You have one on, Aiden? Some of these are really small. Your line, Decky, your line just, you gotta, when it's blowing in like that, you gotta make sure your line stays tight. Otherwise your line's gonna tangle. Look at it. Oh my God, that's so tiny.
I got something smaller than that. I got a rainbow fish that was so skinny like that.
I've never seen
Decky, see how small that is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, toss them in.
some
If not, I'll get you back out there
I
again.
don't feel anything.
Okay.
I see.
All right, let's get you back
It's
out
just
there
a
again.
worm. Just a worm.
Let's get you right back out.
Yep. Just a worm. And some seaweed juice.
Let's let's put another worm on.
Wait.
Yeah, Decky, come over here. Let him cast. All right, come to this side of me.
It's the God spot right there.
Let me just get a worm.
I just put it in. I'm already getting tapped. See that? Look at that. I'm already getting tapped. I just put this in.
Dad,
Yep,
do you see the rocket ship reflection?
I do. Let me get behind you so I can get this loaded again.
I've been building those rocket ships.
You could save the bobber.
I know. I think it's coming back.
You could bring it back.
It'll float. I think it's going to float its way back here.
I'm gonna catch it. You're crazy. Oh, there's no worm on this thing. We're bringing in SEAL Team 87 to save this one.
87? Agent. Oh, no. The green thing. It just fell between there. It just fell.
Oh.
Dad, remember
What?
this green thing right here? Remember this green thing on the table?
Yeah.
It fell in between.
Oh, they're getting a free meal.
No, I don't want fish to get food. Well, it did fall into the leaves.
Good falling from me.
Oh, wait, was it covered? Did it blow off? No, it'll come. It'll work its way over here.
Aiden,
And then I'll get it with the net.
Save me.
Aiden, what's a K-Fab egg?
Decky, I'll toss this one in for you. Aiden, I'm going to toss it in a God spot, okay?
God spot's over here.
I know, I'm going to toss it that way from here.
Dad, what are these words?
All right, Declan, here.
Right now,
Slowly.
All right.
I know I did.
Smile. Hey, smile again. Declan, how many times did we... Oh, shit.
If I get in my phone, I catch the fish. Yeah. I have to do that.
That was a bigger one. Declan, do you know where the cap went for the wax worms?
I don't know.
Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna get them.
I got an idea.
Oh good, maybe you get something else this time.
Keep holding them. And I'll
Okay.
not drop them.
Alright, you'll do that? Alright, I probably have some. Oh, you know what? I have some place I could put them.
What? There's no caps.
No, but I have something else I could put them in. We can mix them in with these guys.
Oh.
Okay, pour them in.
All of them?
Yep.
It's so weird. Should I throw?
Yeah, keep that in there too.
Yeah, keep it in there. Maybe we can find
Oh, you see that splash?